हेलो दोस्तों, मित्तल स्टॉक चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आई हैव कम अप विद यू विद ए न्यू स्टॉक दैट इज सीरा सैनिटरी वेयर। सीरा सैनिटरी वेयर विच हैज़ ए मार्केट कैप ऑफ 4,834 rupees and its current price is prevailing at 3,717 rupees. दोस्तों, Sera Sanitary Ware is a leader in the sanitary ware market with a share of around 23 to 24%. The company had been through some tough times in the past, but the outlook now is much brighter. More importantly, the business has some interesting tailwinds which could propel the earning and share price higher from the current levels. दोस्तों, second thing is the booming demand and across the sector. The building material industry has been struggling for the past year, but Sera's business model has proved to be resilient, gaining some share in otherwise segment market. The second half of 2020 saw a robust housing market despite the economic collapse in the second quarter. The momentum has picked up since then, and home builders, building material companies, and home furnishing have seen a surge in demand owing to stamp duty cuts, a reduction in real estate prices, and availability of cheap mortgage debt. दोस्तों, this Sera Sanitary Ware store looks promising. Now we will talk about this supply chain disruption have been resolved. Those is most important thing. The supply chain which was facing a headwind in problem. Now these issues have been resolved. Now we will talk about the financial snapshot of Sera Sanitary Wares. दोस्तों, its EBITDA margin is 40 crore rupees in quarter 3 2021. 41 crore is quarter 2 financial 21. Quarter 3 financial 43 crore. Now we can see that its margin are growing day by day. Now let us talk its profit after tax. Let us talk its profit quarter on quarter. Is it increasing 10 bps points. The December quarter result of Sera Sanitary Ware were rather subdued due to supply chain disruption in its business. However, its quarter 3 revenue were largely flat despite a contraction in sanitary ware business. The worrying issues relating to labor strike at its manufacturing unit in Kadi were resolved in the last week of December, and production is now back in full swing. With the majority of its plant running at an optimum capacity utilization, the company clocked a revenue growth of 18 to 20% year on year in January and February, and the management expects the ongoing momentum to sustain over the next 3-4 quarters. Moreover, the competitive landscape has also turned weak as sabotage of container coupled with the spike in shipping rates are rendering import uncompetitive and benefiting domestic industry leaders such as Sera. Now we will talk about the recent market weakness provided a good entry opportunity. Historically, the company has delivered superior operational execution among its peers, which is reflected in the margin, high return ratio, and cash-rich balance sheet. At the end of December quarter, the business had a net cash of rupees 410 crore. In early March, the stock surged to the lifetime high as the investors were placing an increasing premium valuation 35 times to the financial 22 earnings on companies such as Sera that have demonstrated earning durability through the cycle. However, in recent weeks, Sera's stock has retraced 15% from its all-time high, and investors should take advantage of ongoing weakness in the market to reap the benefit of the ongoing boom in the home improvement industry. Probably the business disruption and the lockdown due to second wave of pandemic remain the key development to be watched from a risk perspective. दोस्तों, that's all about Sera Sanitary Ware. दोस्तों, my point of saying, recommending, you can say, or choosing this stock is that as people are getting aware, people are buying homes, our industry is opening, our infrastructure sector is opening, government is also pushing the infrastructure. As the home demand increases, the home furnishing demand will also increasing simultaneously. दोस्तों, in this space I can say Sera Sanitary Ware can be a good bet दोस्तों you can buy this stock for a uh, at least for about 4 quarters in the coming 4 quarters, and this is growth can sustain in 4 to 5 quarter or in a year also. So thank you दोस्तों. If you like my this analysis, please like and subscribe my channel, and you can consider the stock for your profit. Thank you.